Okay, so first we have 19 minus 7. So for that, to find 19 blank minus blank equals 7. So to find what the blank is, we have to subtract 19 by 7. So 9 minus 7 is 2. And then 1 minus 0 is 1. So we know that 19 minus 12 is 7. We don't know what 13 plus blank equals 17. We can subtract 17 minus 13 to find out what plus 13 equals 17. So 7 minus 3 is 4. 1 minus 1 is 0. So 13 plus 4 is 17. Let's move on. Here we have 25 times 16, number 1. So 25 times 16. We just multiply it. So 5 times 6 is 30. We bring the 3 here. 2 times 6 is 12 plus 3, which is 15. And whenever we move on to the second digit, we add a 0 here. So 5 times 1 is 5, and 2 times 1 is 2. When we add this, we get 0, 10, add the 1 here. 1 plus 2 is 3, 3 plus 1 is 4, so 400. Let's look at number 5. 34 times 66. 4 times 6, 24, add the 2 here. 3 times 6, 18. 18 plus 2, 20. We add another 0 because we're moving on to the second digit. 4 times 6, 24. Again, we're going to cross this out because we don't need it anymore. Add the new 2. 3 times 6, 18. 18 plus 2, 20. But since our digits are weird, I'm going to add a 0 here so we know this is a different digit area. So this is 4, this is 4, this is 2, this is 2. So 34 times 66 is 2,244. This is pretty simple, but I'll go through number 1 and 4 with you. So 123 plus 45. So 3 plus 5 is 8, 2 plus 4 is 6, and 1 plus 0 is 1. So 45 plus 123 is 168. Same thing with number 4, 160 plus 78. So 0 plus 8 is 8. 6 plus 7 is 13, so we add that extra 1 here. And 1 plus 1 is 2. So 160 plus 78 is 238. Let's look at these word problems. So Sally has a total of 150 seashells to sell. She is able to sell 42 of the seashells to Sammy. How many seashells does Sally have left? Well, we know that she had 150 seashells in total. But from that, she sold 42. So that means we would have to subtract it. So this is 10. Because we crossed this out, this is a 4. So 10 minus 2 is 8. And 4 minus 4 is 0. And 1 minus 0 is 1. So we know that Sammy has 108 seashells left. And it's important to write full sentences when answering the word problem when it asks you. Let's look at number 3. Or let's look at number 2. David has 18 pairs of red socks, 4 pairs of white socks, and 2 pairs of rainbow socks. David puts all of his socks in a cabinet and grabs a random pair of socks each morning. Which of the 3 colors is David most likely to choose every day? So this is probability. So first of all, we need to know how many pairs of socks he has in total. So we know that 18 plus 4 is 22. And then we know 22 plus 2 is 24. So 24 total pairs of socks. Total pairs of socks. Pairs of socks. So now what we do is it's asking which of the 3 colors is David most likely to choose every day. So David has 18 out of 24 red socks, 4 out of 24 white socks, and 2 out of 24 rainbow socks. So he has the most of 18 pairs, most of the red socks. So that means that he is most likely to choose a pair of red socks. Pair of red socks.